Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have VSCode installed and a folder open. Now start the terminal. Press Ctrl plus Backtick or choose View then Terminal to open an integrated shell. This launches a terminal tied to your workspace, so commands run where your file's live. Once done, note the shell shown in the top right of the terminal panel. It determines command syntax. Make sure to use the backtick, not an apostrophe, and hold Ctrl while pressing the key if needed. Once the panel appears, pick the right shell for your workflow by clicking the chevron next to the plus icon and selecting Select Default Shell. Choosing Bash versus PowerShell changes command syntax and environment variables, so pick what's compatible with your tools. Use the new Terminal button to spawn another session. Each one inherits the folder path. If you need parallel work, hit the split icon to run two shells side by side. Make sure to set your preferred default in Settings so it persists. Finish by running your command and closing terminals when done. Use the trash icon to kill sessions or the keyboard shortcut to quickly close all. If the terminal fails to open, confirm the shell path under Terminal Integrated Shell. Your system might point to a missing executable. When the shell freezes, restart VSCode, disable recently added extensions, and check the developer console or terminal logs for errors. One quick tip: resetting the terminal settings to defaults often resolves path or rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.